These are all the supplies you need to make a mouse trap. No, you don't need to go to the store to buy one. You can make one with these simple supplies. First, you're going to grab a tin can and you're going to poke a hole in it in the center. You want to make sure it's in the center on both sides. You're just going to use a sharp nail and a hammer and bang it in and pull it out on either side. Then you're going to drill a hole in your bucket on either side so that you can put a wire straight across. Now you're going to grab your wire, you're going to measure and cut it just a little bit longer than the bucket. You want to have some extra to be able to tie it. You're going to put your wire through the tin can all the way, and then you're going to put the wire through either hole on either side of the bucket, and you're going to twist it to make it nice and tight and secure. Trim the extra, and then you're going to do the same on the other side. Next, you're going to grab a piece of kindling or a little wood strip, bang 2 nails in it to hook it onto the edge of the bucket. You're going to spread a little bit of peanut butter on the tin can. You don't need very much. Then the mouse is going to crawl up, go to reach for the peanut butter and fall in the bucket. So of course, we need to put some water in the bucket to put the mice out of their misery. It's great to put this mousetrap outside of your cabin or outside of your RV to prevent the mice from going in. So we put it out and then checked the next morning and we caught 3 mice just overnight. My family has been using this type of mousetrap for years, catching mice before they get into the cabin. Like I mentioned before, you can put it outside your RV to catch the mice from going inside to prevent having a mouse problem. Hi, I'm Jackie from So Bright Home. If you like simple DIY projects, crafts, home renovations, all of the creative life things, then make sure to give our channel a subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.